Hey, Yo Faith family, how y'all doing today? I hope y'all doing fine, because I'm over here sick. I don't know what's wrong with my throat. Got a fever. Y'all see my jaws is a little red. I don't know if y'all could tell, but I ain't feeling too hot today. No. I got a cold. Got a fever. Got a headache. Got it all. I made me some cabbage with some carrots in it. Got some mashed potatoes. Y'all see that? Some mashed potatoes. And I got a piece of pot roast. Yes, that's what I cooked today. And I'm not going to be doing too much talking. I know it's Christmas Eve. Hope y'all having a jolly, jolly, jolly Christmas Eve. And getting it in with the family. My family just got to eat. I'm sitting up here enjoying my cabbage. Look at that pot roast. I made a little gravy with it. Y'all know I got my mashed potato. Oh, this cold is kicking my butt, my throat, and I don't know what it is. My gland on one side is a little swollen. I might end up going to the hospital. I've been working on myself, but who wants to be at the hospital on Christmas Eve? Look at that pot roast there. Well, pot roasts, how thick they be, that's all you need is a little piece. I ain't really a big old piece. Y'all see I got my Coke pot. Ooh. Woo. I know them kids is gonna be in their bed early tonight. I remember on Christmas Eve, we used to have to be in the bed 10 o'clock. And then our parents would tell us, well, my parents did, that we ain't had nothing. You be crying. They come wake you up at 12 to open up your present. I remember them days just like yesterday. How time flies by. And as we got older, my cousin Sabrina, ooh, she used to throw down. The holidays come, we used to be at her house. Everybody. She'd cook her ass off. She had your ass in that toilet too. Man, her food's so rich. Ooh, that ass. Y'all get some good burps. That Coke does it. This does. Oh boy. Oh, I hate these colds. This year lately, I've been getting sick. This is what, third time? I didn't call the cold like that. This time my throat. You know, you be feeling all good and stuff. And next thing you know, nighttime, everything come down on you. Making me some tea and drinking some Robitussin and pain reliever. I mean, everything. Doping myself up. This cold is lingering. Ooh. Oh, them burps sure do feel good. That's tender there. This cabbage is good. I season mine a little bit with a little bit of garlic, a little pepper, and I use some chicken bouillon cubes. Put a little water in there. That gives it flavor. That's the key to some cabbage. Then I put the shredded carrots in there. Now today I made just enough for everybody to eat. And they wishing there was more. I get tired of throwing out food. I made some spaghettis yesterday. And I still got some left. I told them if they still hungry, that's what they eat. See that? That's the last piece. I don't know. My food be seasoned perfect. Just right. As you get older, you've been cooking for so long. It just seems like it comes natural to you. Ooh. Here's to the mashed potatoes. Put a little sour cream in there. Sour cream be good. Yes, to do. The butter, the garlic. And you smash it up. Yes, yes, yes. I can't even get that last little piece of that. Spam. That was good. I know I ate it a little bit faster today because I'm not feeling so hot. Oh, Lord. Y'all know the new year is almost here. It's a movie, what is it called? Cage? Bird Cage or something. I forgot the name of it. It's with Sandra Bullock in it.
It's Bird Cage.
Bird Cage. Yeah, Bird Cage. That movie good. I ain't gonna tell y'all about it if y'all haven't seen it, but y'all need to watch that movie. It's on Netflix. It's good. It's really good. See Queen Messiah over there eating some spaghettis. She gave Grandma some more meat.
I still no cabbage in.
No more cabbage. I made just enough because normally I be throwing out food and I get tired of throwing out food. I just made a little bit too much spaghetti yesterday. And they still had some left over, so that's what they gonna eat. The rest of that. Yes. So I hope y'all is having a wonderful evening. Y'all getting ready to cook. I don't even know, my girlfriend said she was cooking tomorrow. So if I feel a little bit better, I don't know. I might go over there. I don't know yet. But I know I'm going to cook some lasagna for Christmas and some fruit salad. That's it. I ain't for cooking all that dressing and baked macaroni. Maybe me and Queen Messiah gonna make some cookies tonight. I don't know. I got some caramel drops, some brownies. They be good in a good old cold glass of milk. But I'm not gonna drink no milk because that's gonna clog me up even more. Let's see, you stop sniffing and make fun of me. She over there sniffing. You feel sick too?
I've been sick at my dad's house. I've been sick. When I wake up on the couch, my throat starts to hurt. That's why I get
Some food up there. No, I get way up there. But family, your faith family, Merry Christmas to y'all. Because it's Christmas Eve. And I hope that you got what you wanted for Christmas. And I love you. And I'm finna go dope myself up with some cough medicine. And drink me some tea. Take me a nice shower. And get my butt in the bed. That's what I'm finna do. Finna lay down, get underneath that cover. And work on myself. Because I can't afford to be sick. Because it look like they will fall. I'm telling you, they come upstairs. Mama, is you gonna cook? Mama, what's wrong with you? Is you okay? You ain't sick. Because they see me up. That's what I got to stop doing. I got to lay my butt still. And it be hard for me to do that. Because it feel like something go wrong or something ain't going to get cleaned or... But I got to learn how to sit down. Sit my butt down and relax and rest some. So, I love y'all. If y'all not a part of the Your Faith family, please subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up. Let me know down below what it is, what it do.
And hit the bell.
And hit that bell. Yeah, so it can ding, 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 ding. And Merry Christmas to y'all. And sweet tea, I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful Christmas Eve. I love you, girl. And I will be seeing y'all later.